That's Thomas out there, and I think, well, someone, a friend of his.
Andy?
Yeah.
Are you watching what's going on?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Did they just arrive or are they just leaving?
They're leaving. I don't think Thomas is gonna try leaving the house. I think he's gonna try getting back in the house.
What, he's sending back?
He decided he's going back on his own. He couldn't make it. He started walking down the street and then he just like stopped and grabbed onto the fence. We're like not wanting to go out in this weather. It's pretty cold out there.